Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a common issue that many users face when running Ubuntu on VirtualBox. While booting Ubuntu occurs unsupported hypervisor error. This error can be quite frustrating, but don't worry, I have a solution for it. Let's get started. Here's how you can fix it. First, power of the virtual machine. Next, make sure the virtual machine with Ubuntu is selected in, then click on Settings. Then go to the Display section under the Screen tab. Make sure the graphics controller is set to VBox SVGA. If it's not, change it to VBox SVGA. And you can increase your video memory depending on your graphics card for better performance, but you can leave it as it is because your machine may freeze if you increase it too much. Also ignore the warning. Let's now try booting the virtual machine again. The issue has been solved now. Please do like and subscribe.